So we have a little bit of a task. We're trying to get to a piece of machinery that we need to install on another piece of machinery. The problem is we stored a bunch of tractors here for the winter and they're all like chimney blocked in there. So first we gotta back this one out and then we gotta move all those. So basically we're gonna cold start every single one of them because it's about -4 degrees out here, which is not that cold, but it's cold for some of these old tired engines. Enjoy. So first one is this old Landini, skinny tire Landini. It's the easiest one to get out. We're just gonna back these all outside and make room to do our thing. This one doesn't matter. We might have our first issue. Doesn't sound like it's cranking fast enough. So considering this is the first tractor and already doesn't start, and we do have another Landini to move, which is probably the same motor, and yeah, all these tractors are old, we are going to go get our booster pack because I think we're going to need it for probably more than just this one. Oh. We have a bad exhaust leak there, but it doesn't matter. It's not turbocharged. Alright. We had to take the weights off because they stick up and you can't open the hood all the way to get to the battery. So weights are off. We're now going to hook up the booster to the battery. While the other one charges, this is the only other tractor we can move right now, so we'll try to move it. It's dead. We're a lot closer. Smells like diesel. Yeah, you saw us try to start this, it was even worse than that one with battery power. So here's the battery. How does this lid come off? You're supposed to be able to get at that without taking that off. Like someone struggled with it before. Okay, well, just like most Fords, we can't even get to the battery. This lid, okay, so basically this tractor we've had for about 2 years, obviously bought it used. Someone put a battery that's probably a good inch too high for this thing, so you can't get the lid off. They obviously broke it getting the lid back on, and obviously we're not gonna bother to lift this cab off to get to the battery. So I know you can boost off a starter. I've never done it. So I'm not gonna go that route. So we're just gonna get a chain and pull it. That's our easiest option right now. Ford sucks. So obviously we had to tow the last one because you can't get at that battery. So hopefully this one will start with ease. The last one started up how it should. Hopefully this one does the same. Maybe not. So we haven't resorted to ether yet. We may need ether, but I'm assuming it's just low on charge. See, we had issues here before. Let's hope that doesn't catch on fire. Why is it doing that? I don't understand that. Alright, so I'm convinced that it might not be the battery, it might just be cold. So a little ether to help.